I'm literally out there earlier. You ready, Meg?
He's gonna do it. That's insane. That was boiled water. Jeez, my sister's so annoying. Did you guys see that? That was so big. I mean, I might get some intros. I don't feel like it. But, like, basically how you do that, it's like negative something. It's like negative 14 or like 13 outside. And you just get boiled water. Or just get a like cup and put it in a microwave with water in it for like 4 minutes. And then you throw it up in the air. Then it does that. If you do it, be careful because it might not work. You have to have like a really cold weather. It could be like negative like 8. Like that's really cold weather. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I did it earlier today, but yeah. I didn't really see it. That's why they did it again. So bye guys, subscribe, comment down below. I will see you guys in the next video. And peace.